Hello, here's the One Team Working Covid-19 update for Tuesday the 2nd of June. So the government have released the latest guidance, and this is just a little bit more information about that to share with you. This is part one. The rest will be continued on Friday, and there will be a YouTube video as well, so please keep an eye out to watch for YouTube for more updates. So stay alert. What does this mean? You should continue to stay alert and limit your contact with others. The easiest way to do this is by staying at home. You can go to work where you cannot work from home. You can go to the shops that are permitted to be open. You can exercise or spend time outdoors for recreation, and you can gather in groups now of up to 6 people outside, as long as you're following social distancing guidelines, so staying 2 meters apart. The things you still can't do: visit friends and family inside their homes, stay overnight anywhere away from your home. You still can't exercise in an indoor sports court, gym or leisure centre, or go swimming in a public pool. Still not able to use an outdoor gym or playground, and not allowed to gather outdoors in a group of more than 6 people, or encourage others to commit one of the above offences. So, for example, by inviting them to a party. So a question as well being, how can I have a socially distanced gathering in my garden or outside space? And also, can I share food and drink, including picnic or barbecue, in an outdoor space? The answer to the food and drink is yes, but it's important to stay alert. You should not pass each other food or drink unless you live together. You should not use plates or utensils that someone from another house has touched. Either bring your own or ensure you've thoroughly cleaned them before using them. You should not go indoors unless you need the toilet or you're passing through to access the garden. Avoid touching surfaces in that case, and if you are using the toilet, wash your hands thoroughly, wipe down surfaces, use separate or paper towels, and wash or dispose of them safely after use. If you're in someone else's garden, you must not go inside to help them carry food or to help with the washing up. If you no longer want to remain outdoors, you should then go home. You are not permitted to go into any garages, sheds or cabins. These are all still classed as indoor areas where the risk of transmission is higher. Try to limit the number of people you see, especially over short periods of time, and be sure to stay 2 meters apart when you do. Failing to stay 2 meters apart, it does increase the likelihood of you catching Covid-19 from someone who may be asymptomatic. They may not realise that they actually have Covid-19 because they may not show the symptoms. So by keeping 2 meters apart, it just reduces that likelihood of catching it from someone who may be asymptomatic. So picture here showing ongoing building work really at the Old Vic. Despite Covid-19, this won't stop us from improving our services, so it's really great to see things are still continuing. Thank You Thursday again is this week. The deadline is Wednesday the 3rd of June by 5 p.m, please. It's your chance to recognise any colleagues who you feel has just gone above and beyond for you. You can quickly upload this as a short message or video into Zone Standard on the green eye icon. We'll put them all together into a special shout out film on Thursday. There is a wiki for this as well for more information. A little bit more information here. There is now free unlimited data for 6 months from Vodafone on offer. So Vodafone say this message: heroes like you deserve all the recognition you can get and more. We at Vodafone want to say thank you to the people leading the fight against Covid-19. How we know best: by keeping you connected to the people you love most when you need it most. That's why we're giving 6 months free unlimited data to the first 300,000 care workers who register by the 26th of June. If you want to go with this, if you have a Vodafone contract, visit the website, register on the website. You'll need to select the profession as a care worker. You'll need to confirm your Vodafone mobile number, name of the care provider you work for, and the postcode of the care provider you work for. And then once the care provider and name and postcode are verified, then they'll apply the offer to your account, which is great. Video footage. So there's a message here to say all day staff members are required to capture a minimum of 15 10-second clips over the course of 7 days of the individuals we support. So this data will be used to monitor your performance of this throughout the week, and it will only count when you upload from your Zone Standard account. And this footage, it all helps to create the amazing videos that can be created for each individual that will be shared with their family members through a family portal, which will soon be available. So that's why we're moving in this direction. More video footage. It's about sharing and communicating with families. So it's really important. When you are uploading video footage and photographs onto the daily diary, please try to select the relevant activity entry for what they're doing. So for instance, if an individual is partaking in the 5k challenge, they're going out for a walk, but it's for the 5k challenge, there is a selection within the daily diary for an activity entry for the 5k challenge. For example, with the bake off at the weekend, entering it as HFHC bake off, it helps to identify that within the daily diary. So just little things like that. Please do look at the activity entry that you're putting in and try and relate it to the specific activity. Other events coming up in June, we've got kites and sun catchers coming up this week. So the kits have gone out with kites, finger paint, sun catchers, felt tips. Also there's a Father's Day card making kits going out this week because that's coming up soon. We've got the rainbow card competition coming up next week, so a craft pack will also be sent out for that. Trooping the Colour is next weekend, so the weekend after next, should I say, which is the 13th of June. It's everything British royal themed. Packs will be going out on the 12th, which will have baking packs, Trooping the Colour activities, bunting, picnic food, picnic blankets, you name it, which all sounds really great. The week after that, Home from Home Care Sports Week, so there'll be more activity packs being sent out, which will include beanbags, foam javelins, egg and spoon race, etc. Any ideas, please do send them through. We'll see what we can source. Father's Day is the 21st of June, so that's a date to remember. Anything, the craft packs that are going out, please do look at creating something for the individuals we support to be able to send back to their dads for Father's Day. Canvases, paints, felt tips, anything like that, they will all be sent out on the 19th, so you've got it there for that weekend. And then Cinema Club is the week after, which is week commencing the 29th of June, and activity packs will be sent out for that, popcorn and sweets and all such things that are cinema related. And then we just want to share all the fabulous entries that we had for the great Home from Home Care Bake Off. It was really wonderful to see all of the entries that came through. Everyone did such an amazing job. It was really difficult for the judging. The winner was Day Ups, so well done to everyone involved for the winning design, but to everybody for all of the entries. There is a film that will be coming out on YouTube soon to share. You can see all the individuals getting involved with their bake off designs, but really lovely, really great to see. So well done everybody for all your tremendous efforts with this, and we hope that you enjoyed the spoils of it as well. Thanks everyone, see you on Friday.